You wouldn't look so pretty if you had like a nice little headband on.
Oh, no. It's only gonna be like this for a few
Minutes?
exactly.
Oh, a few more minutes. You got shampoo at home?
I need to buy some cheap shampoo.
Before washing your hair, you wash your own hair.
Look at these shoes. I wear 8.5 too, but certain shoes I have to get like a 9. It just depends on the cut. These are so cute. These are cute. All right, hey guys, hey my mamas. That little intro I did in the beginning, I don't know what the fuck that was, but hey mamas. So I'm back. I'm with Janelle. We got back in the house. We finished our Target. We only went to Target though, right? We only went to Target.
Yeah,
we went to Target for mad long. Of course, Cameron wants to call me. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Starbucks first, and I'm gonna show y'all the stuff we got from Target, and then I'm gonna take y'all on a little bit behind the scenes of what's happening during the day. Y'all see I took out my weave. Oh my god, y'all, my hair grew so much. My hair was so short when I did my big chop, but it grew so much, so that's a blessing. Oh, I thought that was my actual laptop. I'm about to be like, she losing her mind? Okay, but anyway, so from Starbucks I just got some cake pops. I always get the birthday cake pop. This is my favorite flavor. I don't like chocolate, but I love this. I got myself a chai tea. Janelle did not want a chai tea, but I need a chai tea. And I always get the chai tea with no ice, 3 pumps of vanilla. Actually, I usually get like 6. It just depends on what type of mood I'm in. And I meant to get extra chai, but I didn't. So this is just 3 pumps of vanilla and then the vanilla sweet cold foam. But I got my pumpkin spice seasoning. I'm a fiend. I saw this in the Target by my job and I had to get it. Y'all know I need my pumpkin spice seasoning and everything. It just does something to you. I love very like, what would this be considered, spicy type of things? Like I like a spice. Even in my fragrance, I like it to have a spicy kick. So that's good. Kaden, who are you calling? What? I said Kaden. It is so good. Cameron, shh, hold on. Because they want to talk to me 50 times. Okay, so I got that. Then the drink I got for me and Janelle, I'm going to have to put mine up because Nisha is going to think it's for her and it's mine. I feel bad I didn't get her one, but whatever. She won't know. I'll put mine downstairs. I got us the very biscuits. Wait, the very, whatever. The very, very hibiscus. Yeah, know what I mean. I got it with the lemonade though. And you get no ice in all your drinks. So you can get your full amount of drinks. Okay, that's tea. And then I get it with the green tea, apple juice. I got 5 pumps of pineapple ginger. And I know y'all like, damn girl, you trying to have like diabetes. Whatever I am. Okay, let me mind my business. And I got 6 pumps of raspberry syrup. Wait, drink it real quick and just have your reaction on camera. Tell me it's not good. Like, it's so good this way. She's gonna drink it so y'all can see. It is so good.
Oh no, it is good.
Right? You can taste like the hint of the apple juice. The green tea is not too overwhelming.
Did you say you put ginger in here?
The pineapple ginger. Pineapple
It
ginger
doesn't
is
taste
so good. It doesn't taste
strong.
ginger at all.
Yeah.
The pineapple ginger is
You know,
really good.
ginger be killing me.
Nah, their pineapple ginger is really good. Also, I want to show y'all my body so you can't really see it, but I'm probably going to stand the other way. Hold on. I got this bodysuit from Amazon, and it's not that bad, but the thing is, what I don't like about it is I don't like the bottom that is not tight. But other than that, it's like really cute. It was only $20. So I got this from Amazon. I ordered this like yesterday, and it came today, surprisingly. It came hella quick.
Oh wait, it just came today.
Yeah, I ordered it yesterday. And I got some more stuff. If I could find it, I'm going to show y'all the sunglasses I got. I got some earrings and stuff from Amazon. But I'm going to show y'all really quickly what I got from Target. And I'll probably show y'all how I make my tacos and stuff too. Just so this vlog is pretty lengthy and it's not boring. So, you know, let's get into the... Alright, so let me show y'all everything I got from Target. So we're going to do tacos. Today's Tuesday, so y'all know Taco Tuesday. So I got the taco kit, even though I'm 1,000% sure when I open this cabinet, it's probably filled with mad taco shells. Because it always is. We got our ground beef to go with our tacos. I don't know what it's like. Janelle mom found this cilantro. So we're going to add our cilantro. You know, fresh cilantro. I got some garlic knots. This is not going with what we're making tonight, but you know, just because. You need your Mexican cheese always. I got this ranch seasoning. I'm gonna add this to some chicken. I made a buffalo chicken slider yesterday, and when I tell y'all, it was life changing. I'm gonna make it again next week, so I'm gonna add this when I make it next week. These drip little boosters, baby, your clothes will smell so good. And you don't even need a baby to have it, because I used to scent my clothes all the time. It leaves the best scent on your clothes, and people will be like, just smelling you like, what do you have on? This is a must. Only thing is, it's expensive. This was $15, and I feel like that's way too much. I'm sorry. You do get a lot, but that's a lot of money. What else? Chanel mom also found me this deep conditioner. This is Alkay Natural Honey and Sage deep conditioner. But you know what? I love it because it's so thick. Like, I feel like it's gonna really hydrate my hair. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm about to wash my hair in a few. So we're gonna see what it's hitting for.
It smells like chocolate.
It does smell like chocolate. And the Dr. Teal's, the lavender and jojoba and sweet almond and aloe vera essential oil, because you know we like oils on our body only. I only want an oil and a body butter. Oh, and then I got this La Roche-Posay. This eczema cream. Hopefully this works, because you know I have eczema, my kids have eczema, we all fucked up with eczema. So hopefully it works, and I don't even know how much it was, but I felt like it was probably like $12 or so. Hi. I'm trying to record my video. I'm talking to Kaden. No, he's not. He's gonna finish his work. Okay, back to the program. Okay, so I got the Dr. Bronner's, the soap. I always use these to clean my makeup brushes. These are really good. I prefer the bar for my brushes, and then like the liquid for like my body or anything else I'm gonna add in it. But only for my brushes I use the bars. Even though I used to use the bars for my body, but I don't know, I think I just prefer like a liquid on my body. I need a toothpaste, so I got this one. It's supposed to take off 10 years of yellow stains. Who knows about? But in general, with my toothpaste and stuff, I always get anything that says whitening, I buy it. It's usually it works, because my teeth are pretty white, and I need to actually start, what's the thing called? Whiten them. I couldn't think of what I was trying to say. I need to whiten them again, because they're getting kind of stained from like coffee and stuff, and I haven't whitened them in probably like maybe almost 3 years. So they stay white for a pretty long time. I got this new secret deodorant that I'm very excited to try. This says it's essential oils. It's free of parabens and dyes. Who knows? It probably has aluminum in it. It does. Okay, if you're worried about that, don't buy it. But if you don't care, hey. This has coconut oil, mandarin, and it's 48-hour protection. It smells pretty good, so we'll see what it's hitting for. Kaden and Cameron, I just got them some regular Tom's lavender deodorant. On my kids, I always like to use natural products. If you have kids and you want to introduce deodorant, always natural deodorant. It has no aluminum, no chemicals. You don't have to worry about, you know, messing up their bodies. But the thing is, if you already started your kids with like Secret and stuff, I'm pretty sure once you stop and switch them over to this, they're gonna stink for like a good month or so, and they're gonna sweat a lot. So that's why you try to start them off young with natural, and then you don't have to worry about it when they get older. Honey pot pads. These right here, if you wear pads, you need them. It works really well. It does tingle. I'm not gonna lie, it does have a tingle down here. Also too, if you have a, like, this is really TMI, but I feel like a lot of my viewers are ladies anyway. If you have a yeast infection and it's like irritated down there, you know, like when you use the treatment and they tell you to put the pad on, definitely you could use this, and it will it soothes a lot. Like if you're very irritated in your private parts down there, use that. It will definitely work. I got some V. I was on TikTok, honestly. That's what made me buy this. And also the V I own is like, I think it's old. I don't know if it's old, but whatever. We bought a new one because we don't want to risk it. But yeah, so I just got V. Y'all know the deal with V. With V. I said V. You know the deal with V. Also, and I couldn't find this. And I was watching them use this, and I'm like, maybe I should be using mine.
It doesn't really work.
It doesn't. That's why I couldn't find it. But whatever. We'll try it again tonight. Of course, Method dish soap. This is the Citrus Grove. I don't even smell it, but I think it smells good. You smelled this before? I've never smelled it either.
Nah, I've never used their well, yes I have.
Have you used this one though?
No, I never used that one.
This line? The clearish bottles?
Yeah, I used that one.
I like this line.
Sea salt and lime.
Usually I get the honey apple crisp. But this one, it smells alright. It's not too strong. It smells okay. And then the last thing I got from Target is just these 2 cups for them. They had this already, but they messed it up. Cameron bit on his, like always. So I just got this, and yeah. That's it for our Target haul. So I'm going to come back when I start cooking the tacos and stuff, and I'm going to show y'all how I make my tacos. Oh, yeah, and I got my Christmas gifts from Janelle. What is this? This is a foot cream with socks. Okay, which I like. I love wearing fuzzy socks, like with booty shorts. No, got the little thotty. Oh, this smells so good. We probably keep this upstairs. This is a White Barn Snickerdoodle. Oh my god, it smells so good.
I thought of you when I got it.
It's so my scent. If you know me, I love anything that smells like vanilla, pumpkin-y, caramelly, just warm. Scent. I love a warm scent. That's like the scent that I like people to know me by. It's like something warm. This smells so good. I want to burn it now, probably. I probably will burn it now.
These are for the kids.
But this smells super good.
It came with teddy bears.
And then they got these books that came with... Oh, shit. Then they got these books that came with the teddy bears. It's cute. We having a whole little vibe. But I'm about to start cooking these tacos. So I'm gonna have y'all watch me cook the tacos, so y'all can just see. But this vlog is a little bit all over the place. Oh, and then her mom sells the wait, what is it called? Because I want to.
TLC.
Yes, you know, I was thinking of the other one, Herbalife. I get them confused sometimes. But her mom sells the TLC, so I'm gonna try this out. This is the Latin, which is basically a instant coffee, but this is a sea moss. I'm really excited for the sea moss. If I like the sea moss, I'm just gonna buy a big one because I want to incorporate sea moss into my everyday lifestyle. So I'm gonna try this out and see what it's hidden for. But I'm gonna leave her mom link down below, like in my description box, if y'all want to try TLC products and y'all could try it out. Y'all could definitely get it to her mama, okay? Because she got it. She got it for you, especially if you're in New York. Even better, because it's gonna come faster. So we're gonna get to making these tacos, and yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, I'm looking really crazy, I know, but I just wanted to end the vlog. Don't mind this. This is like some sofa that I had on my face. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna come back tomorrow like a baddie, get my hair done, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. All right, guys, I know I did close the video prior the other day when I was telling y'all I'll be having my hair done and I'm gonna look like a baddie, but I wanted to officially close the video. This is a new day. I'm about to get ready to edit right now and put up my Skims try on haul. This is gonna be the video that's up before this vlog. I did get my hair done. I have on a front tool. Yeah, no, I love a good front tool. This is like my favorite hair, and I'm loving this length lately. So yeah, that's just that. I wanted to just come over and like in the video looking, you know, cute and decent. So I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. I hope you got to really see me, like just see me in my natural element without the makeup, without glam. I didn't have no weave in my hair. I went to like Target. I didn't really give a fuck, to be honest. But you know, that's real life. Some days you just don't want to be glammed up and you don't want to look the most. So that was that. I am gonna definitely try to vlog more of like things that I do. So like, I need to go to the nail salon actually this week. I'm just looking at my nails. What the fuck is this under my nails? I have like something under my nails. I was so gross. So yeah, I need to get my nails done because look what happened. My nails look like shit. So I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. I may or may not take you guys with me. I don't really know. But yeah, that's the plan for tomorrow. I need to do my nails. So yeah, I might see that in like next week's vlog. Also, tomorrow is my brother's birthday. Today is April 8th. Or is it the 7th? I'm sorry, today's April 7th. His birthday is April 8th. Today's April 7th. So tomorrow's his birthday. I'm gonna do, I don't even know what we're gonna do. So I don't know about that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and properly end this video so y'all could see the glow up is definitely real. Later mamas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't wanna wait on the thing that I wanna get nasty.